responsible leaders in position of authority. Our demand today is that there's a need for us to have a conscious political revolution. There's a need for us to have change of leadership. There's a need for us to have people who have clear focus, who have passion and welfare of the interest of the people in their heart to take over leadership. This cannot be achieved by the political conglomeration of charlatans in position of authority. This cannot be achieved with the current political architecture in Nigeria. There's a need for us to allow people who are determined, who have the interest of people to take over leadership. And that's why we are saying no to APC, no to PDP, no to all these rascals in political authority. Like this country. I want to call on all Nigerians. Nobody should feel so comfortable in their bedroom. Nobody should feel so comfortable in their houses. Because this country is not safe. This country is not secured. Nobody is secured. Even in Nigeria today, police, soldiers are not secured. Even today, Nigerian generals cannot walk alone on the street. I want us to know that if we don't take our future in our hands, if we don't take our destiny in our hands, this country will continue to remain like this. I tell you today, there is no single sector in the Nigerian social system that is working today. If you look at the educational sector, it's in shambles. If you look at our economy, it's in a total mess. This is because we have people who lack focus, who lack direction, who lack sympathy, who are selfish, who are in position of authority. And that is why I myself, as a legal practitioner, as someone who believes in the revolution now struggle, has come out to identify with this cause. And I call on Nigerians that together we must rise to liberate this nation.
Your name.